Hello children. So here I have taken questions on remainder theorem, polynomial chapter, class 9. Question is, find the remainder when the polynomial is divided by 2x minus 1. So first we suppose it is gx, which is divisor. We equate it to 0. We find out 0 of the polynomial, this polynomial. So now we will solve it. 2x minus 1 you will bring this side, so it will be plus 1. Here it is into, so if we find out x, it is x equals to half. So what we do, we put this value x equals to half in the given polynomial which we divide or which is dividend. So what we do, p half, just you have to put wherever x is there, I will put the value half. So x cube is there, so this x 12x square, so 12, and x is 1 by 2 square plus 14x again, that is half, minus 3. So we are here substituting the value wherever x is there. So this step you always do correct, you have to put the value. Now after this we have to simplify. So simplification you do, that is 1 by 2 cube is there, that is 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. So it is 8. So quickly you do, you learn the cubes of some numbers till 11 and 12. That will help you to quick calculation. Now here 1 by 2 square. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So this 14 into half is there. So we now we simplify it so that we can cancel, it is into, so we can cancel the numerator and denominator, so make our work easy. So I am cancelling it, cancel it carefully so that you will not do mistake. Now I am writing it is 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 7 minus 3. So here is that you have to take LCM, and many times in doing this procedure you do mistake. So 1 by 2, let me write straight line. So when I am taking LCM, it is 2 is there. So to write it, you just check 2 is there. Here we don't have 2, so I make it equivalent fraction. I am making it all the denominator with 2, and then it is easy to me. So 2 here, it is 1 minus 2. So here 6, 3 2 just 6, plus 7 2 14 minus 6. Now again here is the step where we follow the rule of integers. So your concept of LCM here, integers here, must be correct. So here it is 1 and 14 are positive. So we add this number, that is 15, minus 6 and minus 6 will be 6 ball, and 6 ball will be 12 ball only. So like this, so we are getting 15 minus 12 divided by 15 minus 12 whole divided by 3. It is not that 15 minus 12. Again this step what you do mistake, it is 15 minus 12 whole divided by 3. It is not 15 minus 12 divided by 3. Sometimes you do mistake, you cancel like this. This is the common mistake. We can't cancel here because here we simplify the numerator. That is 15 minus 12. Sorry, here it is 2. Here also 2. So it is 3 by 2. So each step which you have done, that LCM here integers, and here the division, you have to be careful while solving. Suppose here next question I am writing, which is with the negative numbers. So find same thing, px, I change my pen. So px is 12x cube minus 13x square minus 5x plus 7, and it is divided by 2 plus 3x. Again we equate to 0. The divisor, that is 2 plus 3x is 0. That is 3x is minus 2 and x is minus 2 by 3. Now again we put the value carefully. Now when you put the value p minus 2 by 3, remember that you will not do any mistake in first line. Minus 2 by 3 cube minus 3 to 13 square is there, minus 5 2 by 3 plus 7. Now we will solve this one. 12 minus 2 cube and 3 cube, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, or when negative in odd powers or odd times, so it will be negative. And 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube, you learn, that is 27 here. So minus 3 again. Even powers will be positive. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Again, negative of negative, minus of minus will be positive. So here positive 10 by 3 plus 7. So I hope this one. Now what we have to do? We can cancel to make our work easier. So 3, it will be 3 4 ja and 3 9 ja. Here we can't cancel. So now minus, we are multiplying. So it is minus 32 by 9 minus 13 4 ja 52. So you must learn the tables to make, otherwise it is 3 marks question and you will take a lot of time to solve here. Now again what I told, take LCM. So here we don't have denominator with 9, so 3 3 ja 9 and 10 3 ja, that makes our work easier. So here now I am ready with the LCM. Minus 52 plus 30 plus 63. Now these two are positive, these two are negative. So 30 and 63 will be 93 and 32 with 52 will be 84. This one is negative and this one is positive. So we are getting 93 minus 84 by 9. So this one is 7. 9 by 9, that will be 1. So 1 is the answer in rectangular box. So here you see that putting the value you are doing correctly. After that here you have to cancel or simplify. Next step you have to take LCM and then you have to solve using rule of integers and then simplify and write the answer.